What if your money didn't come from a bank, but from the internet itself? Imagine a world with no papers, no coins, just pure code. Welcome to the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency, the new kind of money designed for our digital world. You're watching Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always do your own research. Our story begins back in 2008. The world was in the grip of a major financial crisis, and trust in traditional banking was at a low point. It was during this time that a mysterious person or group, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced Bitcoin to the world. This was a revolutionary idea, a digital form of money that doesn't rely on any bank or government. Bitcoin was created with the vision of financial freedom, putting the power of money back into the hands of the people. It was the first cryptocurrency, and it sparked a global movement. So, how does this all actually work? The magic behind cryptocurrency is a technology called the blockchain. The easiest way to understand the blockchain is to think of it as a digital public notebook. It's a chain of records or blocks that everyone can see, but no one can alter or erase. Every single time someone sends or receives crypto, that transaction is recorded as a new entry in this shared notebook. This notebook isn't stored in one place. Instead, thousands of computers all around the world keep identical copies. This decentralization is what makes it so incredibly secure and transparent. No single person or organization can secretly change the records, ensuring the system remains honest and trustworthy for everyone. While Bitcoin was the pioneer, the crypto universe has expanded dramatically since its creation. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins. Some of these, like Ethereum, have taken the original idea much further. Ethereum isn't just a currency. It's a platform that can run smart contracts. These are like tiny computer programs that automatically execute when certain conditions are met without needing a middleman. Think of them as digital vending machines for complex agreements. This innovation has unlocked a whole new world of possibilities, from decentralized finance or DeFi to digital art known as ENFs and even complex gaming economies. The crypto space is a hotbed of innovation, with new projects emerging all the time to solve different problems. But why are so many people drawn to crypto? One of the biggest advantages is the ability to send money quickly and cheaply, especially across borders. Traditional international transfers can take days and involve high fees, but with crypto, transactions can be confirmed in minutes for a fraction of the cost. It's also incredibly accessible. All you really need is a smartphone and an internet connection to participate, opening up financial services to people who might not have access to traditional banks. For others, crypto serves as a way to protect their savings. In countries where the local currency is unstable and rapidly losing value due to inflation, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can offer a more stable store of value. Of course, the world of cryptocurrency isn't without its challenges. It's still a relatively new and evolving technology. The prices of cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile, meaning they can go up and down very quickly, which makes them a risky asset. The space has also attracted its share of scams and bad actors, so it's crucial to be cautious and informed. Despite these hurdles, the impact of crypto is undeniable. More and more companies are beginning to accept it as payment, and governments around the world are exploring how to regulate and even incorporate this technology. It is clear that cryptocurrency is a powerful innovation that has the potential to fundamentally change how we think about and use money on a global scale. So, cryptocurrency isn't just digital cash, it's the beginning of a new financial future, one that's more open, transparent, and accessible to everyone. It's a complex and exciting world, and we've only just scratched the surface. Thanks for joining us on this journey. This is Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explanations on the technologies shaping our world. See you next time.